Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into making the most of what you've got. We're talking tiny homes and those clever, stylish hacks that turn these small spaces into something truly special. Let's get started. Alright, let's talk furniture, y'all. In a tiny home, each piece has to earn its keep. Forget those single-purpose pieces. We're thinking multifunctional all the way. Picture this. A coffee table that transforms into a dining table with hidden storage underneath, or a comfy sofa that folds out into a guest bed when needed. Think ottomans with storage compartments, beds with built-in drawers, those clever little solutions that maximize every inch. By choosing furniture that can pull double or even triple duty, you're creating a flexible, dynamic space that adapts to your needs. Okay, y'all, here's a design tip I swear by, especially in smaller spaces. Think vertical. When you're working with a limited footprint, those walls are your best friend. Think tall bookshelves that reach for the ceiling, open shelving that displays your prettiest dishes, or even a pegboard for hanging pots and pans in the kitchen. Tall bookshelves are fantastic because they utilize the full height of your room, giving you ample storage without taking up precious floor space. Open shelving is not only practical, but also allows you to showcase your favorite items, adding a personal touch to your space. Pegboards are incredibly versatile and can be customized to fit your needs, whether it's for kitchen utensils, tools, or craft supplies. Floating shelves are your best friend here. They add storage without feeling bulky and can display everything from books to baskets of extra linens. These shelves are perfect for creating a clean, modern look while maximizing your storage options. The goal is to draw the eye upward, creating the illusion of a more expansive space. By thinking vertically, you can make even the smallest spaces feel open and airy. Let's talk about creating a sense of flow and purpose within your tiny home. In a small space, every inch counts, and how you define different areas can make a huge difference in how functional and comfortable your home feels. It's easy for open-plan spaces to feel a bit chaotic without clear divisions. Without designated zones, your tiny home can quickly become cluttered and overwhelming. That's where rugs and lighting come in. They're like magic wands for defining different zones. These elements not only add style but also help in creating distinct areas for different activities. A cozy rug under your sofa creates a designated living area, making it clear where you can relax and unwind, while a runner in the kitchen defines that workspace. This helps in keeping the cooking area separate from the rest of the home. And don't underestimate the power of lighting. Different lighting fixtures can set the mood and highlight specific areas. A pendant light over the dining area adds warmth and intimacy, making meal times feel special and inviting. While strategically placed table lamps create cozy reading nooks, these small touches can make a big difference in how you use and enjoy your space. These simple additions can completely transform the feel of your tiny home. By thoughtfully defining zones, you can make your small space feel much larger and more functional. Y'all, this next hack is a classic for a reason. It works wonders. Mirrors are like little miracles when it comes to making a space feel larger and brighter. Try hanging a large mirror on a main wall to instantly create the illusion of a much bigger room. Or place a mirror strategically across from a window to reflect natural light and make the space feel airier. Mirrors are a simple and affordable way to add a touch of glamour and spaciousness to your tiny home. Flexibility is key when you're living the tiny life, right? That's why I'm such a big fan of foldable and collapsible furniture. Think about it, a dining table that folds down when not in use, freeing up valuable floor space for a yoga session or playtime with the kids. Or how about those clever wall-mounted desks that fold up when you need extra room to move around? When not in use, they practically disappear, giving you back that precious floor space. Okay, y'all, let's talk about one of my favorite things, hidden storage. It's like a secret weapon for keeping your tiny home clutter-free and organized. Think of it as maximizing every nook and cranny, even those you didn't know you had. Built-in drawers under beds or using the space under your stairs for pull-out drawers or even a hidden pantry. It's all about finding creative solutions that blend seamlessly into your design. Let's talk doors for a minute, y'all. Those traditional swinging doors we're all used to? Well, they can be real space hogs in a tiny home. That's why I'm such a big fan of sliding doors. They're not just practical, they add a touch of modern farmhouse charm. Sliding doors glide effortlessly along a track, eliminating the need for that awkward swing radius. This frees up valuable floor space and creates a much more open, airy feel. Use them for closets, bedrooms, bathrooms, or even to separate living spaces. One of the most important things to remember when designing a tiny home is that your needs are constantly evolving. That's why I'm such a big fan of modular furniture. It's like having building blocks for your space. Think modular sofas that can be rearranged to create different seating arrangements. The beauty of modular furniture is that it grows and adapts along with you. Tiny homes often come with those quirky little nooks and crannies that can be a bit challenging to work with. Instead of viewing those awkward spaces as limitations, think of them as opportunities to get creative. Got a slanted ceiling? No problem. Install custom-built shelves or drawers that follow the lines of the ceiling, maximizing every inch of storage space. Alright, y'all, let's talk about the heart of tiny living, embracing a minimalist mindset. It's not just about having fewer things, but about having the right things that bring you joy and serve a purpose, and making organization your new best friend. In a tiny home, every inch counts, so it's crucial to be smart about how you use your space. It's amazing how much calmer and more spacious your home feels when everything has its place. Start by decluttering ruthlessly. Go through each room and decide what you truly need. If you don't absolutely love it or use it regularly, let it go. This can be a tough process, but it's incredibly freeing. Next, invest in clever storage solutions. Think about multifunctional furniture that can double as storage, like ottomans with hidden compartments. Think clear bins for easy visibility, so you can quickly find what you need without rummaging through everything. Stackable containers to maximize vertical space, making the most of your limited square footage. And wall-mounted organizers to keep clutter off your countertops. These can be lifesavers in a tiny kitchen or bathroom. Remember, a well-organized home is a happy home no matter how tiny it may be. Embrace these tips and transform your small space into a cozy, efficient haven. And there you have it, folks. 10 of my favorite tiny home interior hacks to transform your space from cramped to charming. Remember, it's all about getting creative, maximizing every inch, and embracing the cozy, efficient lifestyle that tiny living has to offer. Until next time, happy designing, y'all. But wait, there's more. Think vertical. Use wall-mounted shelves to keep floors clear. Opt for multifunctional furniture like beds with storage. Light colors and mirrors make spaces feel larger. Add plants for a touch of nature and better air quality. Let's recap. Maximize every inch, define zones, use mirrors, embrace flexibility, and don't forget those bonus hacks. Ready to transform your tiny home? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips.